Have you ever stopped to consider how your current lifestyle impacts your future financial health? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? Most of us are so caught up in the here and now that we seldom pause to think about the long-term consequences of our spending habits. Picture this. There's a man named John, just your average Joe. John loves the finer things in life. Fancy cars, designer clothes, upscale restaurants, you name it. He spends without a second thought, living life in the fast lane. But there's a catch. John is living paycheck to paycheck, with no savings to speak of. Now, meet Jane. Jane is also fond of the good life, but she approaches it differently. She drives a modest car, shops at affordable stores, and cooks her meals most of the time. Jane is not depriving herself. She's merely living within her means, saving a portion of her income each month. Jane is living a lifestyle of saving. You see, saving money is not about punishment or deprivation. It's about making conscious choices today that can secure your financial freedom tomorrow. It's about understanding that every dollar you save is a step towards a future where money is no longer a source of stress, but a tool for growth and independence. Remember our friend John? His lifestyle of excess leaves him constantly worrying about the next paycheck, the next bill. In contrast, Jane's lifestyle of saving gives her peace of mind. She knows that she has a safety net, a buffer against unexpected expenses. The difference between John and Jane lies in their mindsets. John sees saving as a sacrifice, a loss. Jane, on the other hand, sees saving as an investment in her future, a gain. The key to adopting a saving lifestyle is to shift your perspective, to view saving not as a chore but as a choice that leads to financial freedom. So, why not make that choice? Why not commit to changing your spending habits, to adopting a lifestyle of saving? It may not be easy at first. It may require discipline and patience. But the rewards, the peace of mind and financial freedom are well worth the effort. In conclusion, think of saving not as a punishment, but as a lifestyle change, a means to freedom. Dare to choose a lifestyle of saving. Dare to invest in your future. Dare to claim your financial freedom. Remember to hit that subscribe button to learn more about how to manage your finances effectively. Your future self will thank you, because every penny saved today is a step towards a richer tomorrow.